Abroad now, where Philippines President Rodrigo Duterte says he might follow Russia and withdraw from the International Criminal Court, citing criticism from Western nations for a rash of killings unleashed by his war on drugs. Duterte described the ICC as useless and expressed frustration about the West's allegations of extrajudicial killings, as well as its failure to understand his crackdown on narcotics. He also appeared to blame the United Nations for failing to prevent wars all over the world. Philippines became a member of the ICC in 2011. Meanwhile, Russia joins the United States and other nations who have rejected the ICC. Lyubova reports from Moscow.
Russian President Vladimir Putin signed an order withdrawing Russia's signature from the ICC's founding treaty. Moscow has called this treaty one-sided, and this order comes with an immediate effect. We also heard from the Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov, who said that the withdrawal is in Russia's national interests. On Monday, the ICC's prosecutor's office issued a report in which it said that Russia's annexation of Crimea from Ukraine in 2014 was that of an international armed conflict. And the report also said that the situation in Crimea at the moment is that of an occupation. But this report has really angered Moscow, and Moscow said that it contradicts the reality as well as Russia's position. But it's not just about Crimea. The Foreign Ministry said that the report also criticized Russian forces for its 2008 conflict with Georgia. And also, Moscow comes under growing pressure over its military campaign in Syria, with several Western leaders saying it could amount to war crimes. Well, Russia signed the treaty in 2000, but it never actually ratified it. So that means that Russia was never under the ICC's jurisdiction. So this move by Russia to withdraw from this treaty is really symbolic. But what this means is that now if the ICC wanted to bring any Russians identified in that report to justice, it cannot do so. Lyubova, SABC News, Moscow.